I get called an asshole a lot, and I'd be lying if I said that it didn't get to me sometimes. Um, I I rarely truly intend on being an asshole. I just sometimes I can't sugarcoat things or figure out how to say things that somebody might not be offended by. Um, and I don't insult people in in the typical hot topic things, their sexuality, their gender, and that kind of stuff. It's not like I walk around waiting for insults and have them loaded up, to fire off at somebody. Sometimes people just do some really dumb shit, and I'm not afraid to tell them, hey, you've done some dumb shit. So in that regard, I get maybe I'm an asshole. I don't know, but so I get called an asshole a lot, and it sucks because I do stand up for what I believe is right and for what I believe in, and the more often that you do that, the more often people dislike you. It seems. So when something like what's happened in the last few days happens, in the last week actually, I've been told by numerous people many nice things actually. Many people told me that I inspire them, that I help them in directly or indirectly in many of their personal matters in their life. I've had people tell me that they just like hearing my voice, and I often don't know how to respond to that. It's way easier to respond to someone calling you an asshole, and I'm grateful and I'm humbled that people are inspired by me. It gets me a little emotional to think about it. So, if you're one of those people, I'm happy that I could help. I do all this because I do want to help people. That is my primary focus, honestly. Whether it's help them see the light in what they're doing is wrong, or not immoral, or even just in helping someone get through something that's difficult in their life. I'm honored that people would take my advice or find that it works for them and be appreciative of it. And so if you're one of those people, I thank you. I know it's so hard for me to say. Anyways, I'm super glad I could help, and I love you guys, and I just want you to know that I appreciate you telling me those things, because it's awful nice to hear nice things, on occasion. So thank you, and I love you guys.